For removing dust deposition on optical connectors, the accessory cleaner 4G has to be used. Let us begin the procedure on optoelectric converter side. EO-Sense connector presents 4 ports, 2 electrical at the bottom and 2 optical at the top. For cleaning the male optical port, the orange nozzle has to be mounted on the cleaner 4G. First, remove its dust cap. Introduce cleaner 4G nozzle on the male optical port and push up to the stop. Then replace the orange nozzle with the red one. Introduce cleaner 4G nozzle on the female optical port and push up to the stop. Then put immediately the dust cap back in place. Use the same procedure for cleaning the probe connector of the M-field probe. First, remove the dust cap. Maintain the connector in one of your hand while paying attention to optical cable bending radius at connector output during this operation. With orange nozzle, clean the male optical port. Replace the orange nozzle with red one. To complete the procedure, introduce again cleaner 4G nozzle on female optical port and push up to the stop.